Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can create your own search engine like Google. Like you can see here is a Google search engine, and, we will make our own search engine. Like you can choose any name. So let's get started. So firstly we have to search Google My Way. Now you will see a first link over here. Just click on it and you will see a page like this. Now guys, you can see this column, so you have to write whatever you want to, and it will shown as your name on the search engine. Like I will write here Techno Hippo and I will click enter. And if you want to search anything, you can just write it here. Like I will search what is memory and we will just enter. It will show all the results like Google. It's almost same like Google. It works like Google, just we have changed the name. Like you can see its name is Techno Hippo. So if you want to change the logo, just click on it and write whatever you want to. Just I will write like Techno Hippo and just choose another format like this design I will choose, and you will see a new design here. Like you can choose any design whichever you want to, and you can search anything like this. If you copy this link, then you can send it to anyone else, then they will show your search engine. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you guys got to know something new. If you got to know something new, you can just press the like button and hit the subscribe button to get more tutorials video like this.